Everyone, it's 5:44 this evening, and it was a mild and warm day across the valley. Right now, temperatures are in the upper 70s in McAllen. It's 73 in Wesco and 74 degrees in Harlingen. As we take a look at those low temperatures, a little bit milder than last night. We will expect those temperatures to be around the lower 60s for much of the area, maybe the upper 50s in some parts like Rio Grande City and Edinburgh. The winds shifting out of the southeast now, 10 to 20 miles per hour. And I think through the overnight hours, that breeze will die down. For tomorrow, we are expecting warmer weather. 83 degrees is what we're forecasting for McAllen, 84 in Rio Grande City, 80 degrees in Harlingen, and 72 at South Padre Island. Now let's take a look at the cloud cover. The clouds are coming back, and these are high clouds moving through the region right now. But then through the overnight hours, we do expect lower clouds to form, and that means that we'll see thicker cloud cover for the overnight hours, eventually seeing the potential for some fog as that wind dies down for tomorrow morning. It could be dense at times tomorrow morning, and even to add to that, we will see the slight chance of some showers, a 20% chance of rain in the forecast, pretty much for Hidalgo, Cameron, and Willacy counties. I think Starr County may stay dry through tomorrow morning. And again, that chance is very low. The clouds will stick around through Monday. Even into Tuesday, we could see some spotty stuff in the morning, but it looks like the clouds will break by the afternoon hours, and we could see some sunshine on Tuesday. Now, let's take a look at the long range right here. Future track showing a cold front on the map. That cold front will continue to sag further south. Eventually, we'll make it into the valley. There's a lot of disagreement right now with the models. This model, the GFS, shows the front pushing through on Thursday evening. With it, we will see scattered showers and maybe a thunderstorm with it, but our rain chances are about 40%, 50% for Thursday. And then they drop off for Friday, and then another chance of rain on Saturday as more moisture moves into our area. Now let's take a look at the comparison of models. I'm going to walk over to the big wall here just to show you there's so much disagreement right now. You see that the models are in pretty good agreement for the Tuesday. This is at 2 p.m. We see the 77 degrees. That's the European model that I'm pointing at right now. This behind me is the American GFS model. Fair agreement, 78 degrees for the European, 80 degrees for the American GFS model. And then even on Wednesday, we still have some pretty good agreement, 78. They're both forecasting that for 4 p.m. on Wednesday. But then as we get into Thursday, notice how the European model has a cold front way to the north in San Antonio area. But then as we head over here to the American model, that cold front sagging further south, it actually cools us down into the 60s by 8 p.m. But if we're looking at the European model, 79 degrees. So there's the discrepancy, a lot of disagreement. And then finally, both models agree on Friday. The cold front has made it through. It's just a matter of how strong that push of air will be. Let's take a look here. 3 p.m. Saturday, American model showing temperatures around 41 degrees in McAllen. But at the same time, European showing 67. That's a big discrepancy there. And now, check this one out. A 40-degree difference in the weather models here, showing 30 degrees for the McAllen area on Sunday at 3 p.m. That's the American model, but at the same time, the European says we'll be around 70 degrees. So that's the problem that we have today, just with the forecast. Me and Andrew Chung have been trying to forecast this cold front, but it's been so difficult, and that's what we're dealing with right now. Now let's take a look at the rain chances on the green screen, and here we go. 20% chance of rain in the forecast for Monday. Drops down to 10% on Tuesday. The best chance of rain will be on Thursday, 50% chance. And here's your marine forecast. Winds out of the southeast 10 to 15 knots. Small craft should exercise caution. Our low temperature today around 61 degrees, and it's going to be nice and warm tomorrow. 80 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, a little bit breezy. A stray shower is in the forecast. And here's your look at your first 4 and 5 AccuWeather forecast. 80 degrees for Monday. We're around 84 on Tuesday and Wednesday. As we head into Thursday, that's where the best chance of rain will be. 50% chance of rain, and then that temperature on Thursday could be very different for depending on how strong that cold front comes through and what time that cold front comes. We could see those temperatures in the 70s, maybe the 80s, but we're gonna have to keep an eye on that forecast for the second part of next week. Saturday and Sunday look very chilly, and that is a complete look at your first 4 and 5 AccuWeather forecast. Tony.